Hey Gabe, saw you had a problem here on YZANT, and I'm gonna go through it and solve it for you. Finding the function y for which satisfies the separable differential equation that you wrote below. The only question I have is I wanted to make sure that it actually looks like this. 4 plus 20x all over xy squared. And this is only for x is greater than 0 because this wouldn't be defined at x equals 0 and an initial condition of y of 1 equals 2. So assuming that's the right equation, we'll go through it here. First thing I want to do is, since we know it's separable, I'm going to isolate the variables. So I'm going to multiply both sides by y squared here. And then these y squareds will cancel. And we will wind up with y squared times dy dx equals 4 plus 20x. Then we're going to move the dx over. So I'll multiply by dx, multiply this by dx, and the dx's will cancel over here. And we'll wind up with y squared dy equals 4 plus 20x dx. So all the y's on the left, all the x's on the right, and then we can integrate or anti-differentiate if you prefer. We get 1/3 y cubed equals, we get 4x here, we get 10x squared, and that pesky constant of integration. So what we're going to do here is, whoops, you can see I pre-solved the equation there. We're going to use this initial condition up here. I'm going to plug it in down here, and we're going to find c. So we'll put in 1 for x and 2 for y. So it'll be 1/3 of 2 cubed equals 4 times 1 plus 10 times 1 squared plus c. And so the left-hand side will be 8/3. The right-hand side will be 14 plus c. And then with a little quick rearranging there, we'll make the 14 into thirds, which will be 42/3, and 8 minus 42 is negative 34/3. That's our c. And then I'm going to come over here and leave the bottom part alone, and we'll have 1/3 y cubed equals 4x plus 10x squared minus 34/3. And then we can just do a little rearranging here. We'll multiply by 3 again here. And that'll give us y cubed equals, I'm going to rearrange these in their proper order, 30x squared plus 12x minus 34. And then just take the cube root of each side. Cube root here, and then we wind up with, let's get rid of some of this here. We wind up with y equals the cube root of this quadratic in here, 30x squared plus 12x minus 34. If I didn't get that equation correct, let me know. If not, there you go.